Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro, the channel where we fix real HP printer problems step by step. I am Adaora, and today we are solving one of the most frustrating print quality issues there is: pages coming out with white horizontal gaps, faint text, and missing lines, even with genuine instant ink cartridges installed. I want to show you exactly how to fix this through a call I had with David, a man who had tried cleaning and alignment multiple times and was nearly getting blank pages. He did the right thing and called us. Let's see how we fixed it together.
Hi, Adaora. Thank you for taking my call. I have an HP OfficeJet Pro 8020E is printing with these big white horizontal gaps through all the black text. I have run the cleaning cycle 3 times, done alignment, checked the cartridges. They're all genuine. Nothing is working. The page is getting worse.
David, thank you for calling. What you are describing, the horizontal white gaps, the fading that gets worse after cleaning, that is a classic printhead flow issue on the 8020E. The cleaning cycles you ran Adaora may have it worse if the printer was not fully primed. Hello, David. Is your printer right there?
Yes, it is right here beside my monitor. I can reach it from my chair.
Perfect. Please press the power button for me.
Okay, doing it now.
Great. Is the light on?
Thank you.
It looks like the print nozzles are blocked.
That actually makes sense. So the nozzles are blocked and the standard cleaning is not clearing them.
Exactly. Let's run a deep cleaning now.
Okay, doing it now. Thank you.
Exactly. And the sequence matters. We need to do this in the right order or we will keep chasing the same problem.
Okay, what's the first step?
First, turn off the printer and unplug it. Step 1 is the full power reset. While the printer is still on, reach around to the back and unplug the power cord directly from the printer.
Okay, unplugging it now.
Perfect. Then unplug from the wall as well. Both ends out.
Okay, unplugging from the wall now.
Wait a full 60 seconds. This completely drains the ink pressure system and forces a proper restart.
Got it. Thanks, Adaora.
Unplugging from the back of the printer now.
Okay, good. Now the wall.
And from the wall. Both out.
Perfect. Now wait 60 seconds.
Starting the 60 seconds. 60 seconds up. Plugging back in. It is powering up. Yes, I can hear it. There is a grinding noise.
That's the priming sound.
That is the priming sound you mentioned?
Yes, it's working. That is exactly it. Let it finish completely. Do not touch anything until it is fully quiet and at the home screen.
Understood.
Now we reseat the black cartridge, open the ink access door, and remove the black cartridge until you hear and feel it click, no wiggle at all. Now we reseat the black cartridge. Open the ink access door. Remove the black cartridge and gently wipe the gold contacts with a lint-free cloth.
Adaora, the ink cartridge is stuck.
Okay, David, just clean off any residue.
Okay, got it.
Now push it back in firmly until you hear and feel it click. No wiggle at all. Great.
Access door open, black cartridge out.
Good. Now wipe the gold contacts gently.
Wiping the gold contacts now. Reinserting, click. It is in firmly, no wiggle. Thank you, Adaora. It worked.
Good. Now check the side of the carriage. There should be a small latch handle. If you can see it, lift it up and lock it back down firmly. That latch ensures the printhead is making full contact. It sometimes comes slightly loose after repeated cleaning. David, let's check the print carriage.
I can see the latch. Lifting it and locking it back down, it clicked into place more firmly than it was before.
Perfect. Try printing now.
Thank you, Adaora.
That click matters, David. If that latch was even slightly loose, the printhead was not making proper contact. Close the access door now and let the printer settle. Now the intensive cleaning. On the touchscreen, swipe down to open the dashboard. Touch set up the gear icon.
Okay, I'm on the dashboard.
Perfect. Now tap the gear icon.
Got it. Thanks.
Printer maintenance. Clean printhead. If it gives you levels, select the highest one available, level 2 or level 3. This is the deep clean. It uses more ink, but it is exactly what we need after the reset and reset.
Okay, I see it.
Perfect. Okay, David, let's run a level 3 clean.
All right, papers in.
Perfect. Now touch the screen.
Swiping down, setup, printer maintenance, clean printhead, selecting level 3. Cleaning is running. Oh, it worked. Thank you.
Good. When it finishes, print a test page immediately. Do not wait. Print it straight away while the ink is fully primed and flowing.
Understood. I'll do it right away. Adaora, look at this. No gaps. Solid black text across the entire page. It is printing perfectly. After 2 days of trying, that is a completely clean page.
That's wonderful, David. I'm so glad it's working. I can see it from here. That is a perfect test page. Clean solid lines, no gaps, full black coverage. No watermark, 69, face front facing for DID. The combination of the full power reset, the proper reseat with the latch secured, and the level 3 cleaning in the right sequence, that is what restored the ink flow.
That's fantastic. Thank you, Adaora.
I cannot tell you how much I have been dreading replacing this printer. I thought it was done.
Let's try one more thing, a specific sequence.
And it was just the sequence in the right order.
So if this happens again, power reset first, reseat the cartridge and check that latch, then run the level 3 cleaning in that exact order.
Got it. Thank you, Adaora. This has been a huge help.
Exactly. Power reset, reseat, intensive clean in that order. The sequence is everything. Each step prepares the system for the next one.
Got it. That makes perfect sense.
Perfect. If you just clean without resetting, you are cleaning a system that is still under the wrong pressure.
Thank you for calling Dave Well.
Thank you, Adaora. Genuinely. PrinterFix Pro saved this printer today.
Here is the complete fix. Step 1, full power reset.
Okay, I'm ready.
With the printer still on, unplug the power cord. Wait a full 60 seconds. Plug back in and let it fully power up. Listen for the priming sounds. Step 2, reseat the black cartridge. Remove it, wipe the gold contacts gently with a lint-free cloth, reinsert firmly until it clicks. Then check the printhead latch on the side of the carriage, lift it and lock it back down securely.
Okay, got it.
Step 3, intensive printhead cleaning. On the touchscreen, dashboard, setup, printer maintenance, clean printhead.
Okay, got it.
Step 3, intensive printhead cleaning. On the touchscreen, dashboard, setup, printer maintenance, clean printhead. Select level 2 or 3, the highest available.
Okay, I see it.
Perfect. David, to fix the gaps, immediately after it finishes, print a test page.
Okay, then what?
This sequence, reset, reseat, clean, is what restores full ink flow and eliminates those horizontal gaps. David, great news. Your printer is fixed.
That's wonderful, Adaora. Thank you.
You're welcome. If this fixed your printer, hit like. Before you go, thank you for watching PrinterFix Pro. Faint printing and horizontal gaps feel like the printer is dying, but in most cases, it is a fixable printhead issue. The key is always the sequence: reset first, reseat properly, then clean at the highest level.
Okay, I understand.
Drop a comment and tell me which HP printer you are using. I read every single one. Subscribe if you are not already. New HP fixes every week. No jargon, just the steps that actually work. Until next time, keep printing.